Now consider question number 6. Integral sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x dx. Integral sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x dx. So what we have to do here? Three functions are there. Sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. So what we have to do is, remember that yesterday we discussed that formula 2 sin a cos b, 2 cos a sin b, 2 sin a sin b, 2 cos a cos b. So if the functions are in this form, we have to use the identity. So which identity we can use here? Three functions are there. So first consider two functions first. So we can write this integral. See, consider only sin x and sin 2x. So we have to use the formula 2 sin a sin b. So to apply the formula 2 sin a sin b, 1 2 is not here. So we have to write one extra 2 and 1 by 2 we have to write. So we will write this as 1 by 2 into integral 2 sin x sin 2x sin 3x. So we will consider first two functions first dx. So first we have to use 2 sin x sin 2x. We have to apply the formula for that. So what is 2 sin x sin 2x? So 2 sin a sin b, remember the formula? 2 sin a sin b equal to, what is 2 sin a sin b? Only for 2 sin a sin b we have to write cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. That is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So 2 sin a sin b is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So apply that identity here. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into integral 2 sin a sin b. Here a is x, b is 2x. So apply the formula cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So cos a minus b, x minus 2x minus cos a plus b. Then bracket, there is one more term sin 3x here dx. So we are using the formula 2 sin a sin b cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Now simplify and write. Simplify and write. So that is equal to half into integral cos minus x, x minus 2x minus x minus cos 3x into sin 3x dx. Sin 3x dx. That is equal to 1 by 2 into, remember the formula, what is cos minus theta? Cos minus x, cos x only. So cos minus x, cos x. So cos x minus cos 3x into sin 3x dx. Now we have to open the bracket. Next thing we have to do is open the bracket. Cos x into sin 3x minus cos 3x into sin 3x. That is equal to half into integral cos x sin 3x minus cos 3x sin 3x dx. See, now we have to find the integral of two terms are there. Cos x sin 3x, cos x sin 3x. See, all the trigonometric identities we should know. Then only we can apply whenever required. So here, see here, how to find the integral? We want to integrate this. Integral of cos x sin 3x. So how to integrate? Remember, think how to integrate this function. And here one more function is there, how to integrate that. So here there is one specialty. See here, sin 3x, cos 3x, both are same angle. So we can make it in the form 2 sin a cos a, both same, no, 3x, 3x. So 2 sin a cos a. What is 2 sin a cos a? We can use sin 2a. So that is sin 2a. Now here, how to integrate this function? These both are different. A, b, 3x, x. So we can use the formula sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b. So to integrate this function, we have to use 2 sin a cos b. To integrate this function, we have to use the formula 2 sin a cos a. Then using this, applying this identity, we have to integrate. So now we'll do next step. What is the next step? So next step. See, here we want 1, 2 here. Here also we want 1, 2. So in both the terms we need 2. So we can write outside one extra 1 by 2 we can write. Already 1 by 2 is there. Again one more 1 by 2 will write. So this is equal to in the 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is already there. Next one more 1 by 2 we are going to write. So into 1 by 2 into integral. So for this 1 by 2 we should write 2 here. 2 here and 2 here. Both minus subtraction. So in both the terms we should write 2 there. So we are going to write here 2 sin 3x, 2 sin 3x cos x. That we can write, no, sin term we can write first. 2 sin 3x cos x minus 2 sin 3x cos 3x. So both terms we multiply by 2. Then bracket dx. We have to integrate this. So that is equal to 1 by 4 into integral. Now we are going to apply the formula. 2 sin a cos b. What is the formula 2 sin a cos b? Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Remember the formula. 2 sin a cos b, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Apply that formula. Sin a plus b, that is 3x plus x. Sin a plus b, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So 2 sin a cos b, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Then minus 2 sin a cos a, that is sin 2a. 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a, that is sin 2a, that is 2 into 3x, 6x dx. So we use two formula, 2 sin a cos b, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, and 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a, sin a is 3x here, sin 2a, 2 into 3x, 6x, sin 6x. So we now we can simplify and write the integral directly, no problem. So 1 by 4 into integral sin 4x plus sin 2x minus sin 6x dx. Now directly write the integral 1 by 4 into integral. What is integral of sin 4x? Write the integral of sin 4x minus cos 4x by 4 plus what is integral of sin 2x minus cos 2x by 2 minus what is integral of sin 6x minus cos 6x by 6. So we wrote the integral. Then write plus c. It's the answer. Okay. Now simplify and write. Just open the bracket. Minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. That is minus cos 4x by 16. Minus cos 2x by 8. Like that. Simplify and write the answer. Now next 7th one. Sin 4x, sin 8x. Sin 4x, sin 8x. So you can use, which formula we have to use? 2 sin a cos b. Sorry, 2 sin a sin b. What is 2 sin a sin b? Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Apply that identity and you can do. That you do. Next, 8th one. Integral 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Integral 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. See, do you remember any identity 1 plus cos x? For 1 plus cos x, do you know any formula? What is 1 minus cos 2x? 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2. 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x. What is 1 plus cos x? 2 cos square x by 2. We know the formula for cos 2x. From that cos 2x formula, we are getting this. So always we have to apply these. 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. See, we get this using the formula cos 2x. 1 minus 2 sin square x, remember. Cos 2x, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Or 2 cos square x minus 1. Two formula are there. So using these two, we are getting 1 minus cos x. Angle we have to adjust. And we are getting this formula. So always remember that formula. 1 minus cos 2x, 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2. Angle we have to adjust. So 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x. 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. Angle. So you should remember all this formula. So 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2. Substitute the integral. 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Then we can simplify. What is 2 cancel? Then sin square x by 2 by cos square x by 2. What is sin square x by 2 by cos square x by 2? That is integral tan square x by 2 dx. Now remember how to integrate tan square x. I told you very important function, tan square x. How to integrate tan square x? We have to use the formula 1 plus tan square x sec square x. So tan square x equal to sec square x minus 1. Using that identity, we have to find. So what is tan square x? How we write? See, tan square x equal to sec square x minus 1. So I told you angle, we can write for any angle, that identity. So tan square x is sec square x minus 1. So what is tan square x by 2? Make the angle x by 2. Tan square x by 2, sec square x by 2 minus 1. Only angle you have to change. So what is tan square x by 2? Tan square x by 2 equal to sec square x by 2 minus 1. Only angle you have to change. So apply that identity. See, tan square x, tan square that angle, no, everywhere we have to use this identity. To integrate tan square x, write the identity sec square x minus 1, then integrate. Very important function, tan square x. So write the tan square x formula, sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Now we see integration. Then directly integrate. What is the integral of sec square x by 2? Again remember the formula. What is integral sec square x dx? Remember. What is integral sec square x tan x? Integral of tan sec square x tan x. Using that, what is integral of sec square x by 2? Only difference, in the place of x it is x by 2. I told you. In the place of x there is x by 2 here. What's the derivative x by 2? 1 by 2. So you have to divide by the derivative of x by 2. That is 1 by 2. So you have to divide by 1 by 2. Only you have to divide by 1 by 2. So you can use the same standard formula. Integral sec square x tan x. So what is integral of sec square x by 2? Tan x by 2. Same we can use. But in the place of x here it is x by 2. So you have to divide by what? Divide by derivative of x by 2. What's the derivative of x by 2? 1 by 2. So you have to divide by 1 by 2. Minus, what is integral of 1? X plus c. That is equal to, divide by 1 by 2 become 2. 2 tan x by 2. Minus x plus c. That's the answer. 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. So that's the answer. Okay.